Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can overdraft Chase Bank account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Now you can see that I'm on the official website of Chase Bank. To overdraft your Chase account, there are certain rules or limits that you would need to follow. First of all, what is overdrafting? Your checking account is overdrawn when there are not enough money to cover a payment, purchase or check you write. We may pay overdraft transactions at our discretion based on your account history, the deposit to make the transaction amount. Now what does it cost? We charge a $34 overdraft fee per transaction during your nightly processing beginning at the first transaction. That basically overdrafts your account's balance more than $50, maximum of 3 fees per business day for a total of $102. You can also avoid this fee by confidence $0 overdraft fee if you are overdrawn by $50 or less at the end of a business day. Time $0 overdraft fee if you are overdrawn by more than $50 at the end of a business day and you bring your account balance to overdrawn by $50 or less at the end of the next business day. We also don't charge an overdraft fee for certain things like if a transaction is declined or returned unpaid, or for the items that are $5 or less. On this page, you can see what parameters the bank covers, checks, automatic payments from your checking account, such as recurring phone bills, mortgage or utility bills, and recurring debit card purchases like your monthly gym membership or movie subscription. And this is basically how you can overdraft Chase Bank account. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.